Hi, I am Devi Abhinami, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. S.S. Rajashri College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to take a case study problem in AZ test, and my problem is two samples of cables of size of each 100 are taken, and the data are given below. Cable 1 and cable 2. Size of cable 1 is 100 and the mean value of cable 1 is 1925. Standard deviation of cable 1 is 1925. Similarly, for cable 2, the size is 100, mean value is 40, and the standard deviation is 30. We have to test whether the mean strength of two cables are equal at 1% level of significance. It is a case study problem. In this problem, we are going to test whether the two cables are equal when compared with the mean strength. Okay. What are the given values in the problem? N1 and given values are given value is 100. N2 is equal to 100. N2 is also same, that is 100. X1 bar 1925. X2 bar 40. S1 95. S2 30. Okay. To test this problem, we will use an result test. What is the formula of result test? Kavya, can you tell the formula? X1 bar minus X2 bar divided by root of X1 bar minus X2 bar divided by root of S1 square divided by N1 plus S2 square divided by N2. Very good. This is the formula to test this problem. Here they have given the values of X1 bar, X2 bar, N1, N2, S1, S2. Now I am going to substitute these values in this formula to test the function. Okay. So mod is equal to, we know the value of X1 bar value is 95 minus 40 divided by square root of S1 square. S1 square is 95 square divided by minus 100 plus S2 values divided by 100. Now we have to simplify this value. Anyone can simplify this numerator and get the answer? 1885. The denominator first place value is, you have to square this 19 on 5 and then you have to divide with 100. What is the value of first one? 025 plus second value 900. Now you have to add these denominator and you have to take the square root only. So your denominator answer is 362905. 362905.25. Now you have to divide these two values. Manisha, can you tell me the answer of this problem? 19 point. So this is a mod as a value. Now we have to test whether the two cables are equal. For that we have to test the value. They have given the value as 1%. So now what is the value of 1%? 2.58. 2.58 for 1% number of seconds. Can anyone compute this? Here the mod is calculated as greater than mod calculated. Null hypothesis is rejected because greater than 1%. Okay, here the null hypothesis value is rejected. Can anyone compute this? Cables are equal or not equal? Krishna, can you compute this? Because the null hypothesis is rejected here. Thank you. See. Here the two cables are when the hypothesis is rejected, we have to test the value. Our testing value is two cables are equal or not. So it is rejected, so I conclude that the two cables are. Thank you. they have given the two types of cable. We have to test whether the mean strength of the two cables are equal. Whenever the size is equal, it doesn't mean that the mean should also equal. Okay. For that only we have used the Excel test and we conclude that the two cables are not equal when the size of the